Peeling sealant on your patio surface is the worst, but getting it right means knowing how to prep and what products actually work together. So, first off, always clean your patio super well before sealing, like no dirt, dust, or old sealant bits left behind. You can use a pressure washer or a stiff brush with some soapy water to get it spotless. Next, make sure the surface is totally dry because sealants hate moisture and won't stick properly if it's damp. When picking a sealant, check that it's compatible with your patio material, whether it's concrete, stone, or brick, because using the wrong one just messes everything up. Apply the sealant evenly with a roller or sprayer in thin layers to avoid drips and pooling that cause peeling later on. Don't rush the drying time either. Give each coat plenty of time to cure before adding another. Also, avoid sealing if rain or extreme temperatures are in the forecast, since that can ruin the sealant's bond. Lastly, regular maintenance helps. Clean your patio yearly and reseal every 2 to 3 years to keep things looking fresh and sealed tight. One of the biggest mistakes people make with patio sealant peeling is using incompatible sealants that don't bond well with their surface type. This causes bubbling and flaking fast, so always match your product to your material. Another common issue is poor surface preparation, like sealing over dirt or moisture, which makes the sealant fail to adhere properly. Fixing this means thorough cleaning and drying before application. The third mistake is applying thick coats or not allowing enough drying time between layers, which leads to uneven sealing and peeling. The fix here is to apply thin layers and be patient with drying times. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle projects like sealing patios right the first time. It also gives contractors a platform to connect with people looking for skilled pros, making it easier for everyone to get great work done without the stress.